I'm a huge believer that as an artist, you should always leave the audience wanting more.
100%.
Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Collective. Katie, today we are going...
India.
We are.
Which we've not been to in a while.
We have not.
So
and
it's good to be back.
it is good to be back. I've always wanted to go to India.
Oh,
I love Indian food.
Yes.
I'm
so good.
really intrigued by Indian culture. Have several really good Indian friends. And as we know, Bollywood is one of the biggest things on the planet.
Yes.
So there's no reason you and I and the Vocal Lab Collective shouldn't
be there.
Deeper into India.
Yeah. Let's get deep. Let's go deep.
Let's go. So today we're going to react to...
Manike.
Yes. I think that's how you say it.
I think so. Again, if we're butchering names, we're so sorry. We don't mean to or want to.
Yeah, you can help us understand that more. But
yes.
Yeah, from what I understand, one of the biggest Indian artists of all time for Bollywood.
Excited.
So let's see.
I've never.
The tones from Indian artists are...
They're incredible.
And they're incredibly unique, right? There's nothing like it on planet Earth. So let's dive in here. Let's see.
Hard to mimic.
I can't do it. Oh.
Manike Mage Hithe,
Beautiful tone. Beautiful girl.
So beautiful. Her smile is so good. I love the musical
I know.
intricacies and influences. It is.
Such a dance.
All right.
I didn't expect that.
Either.
It's
cool to hear it.
Their tongue work is crazy.
It's next level. You can see his tongue. It's cool to hear it so spoken too.
She's so cute with the camera.
I know. That tongue.
Amazing. She's so smooth, but very edgy. She's very...
Yeah, there's a little something on it that makes you be like... It makes you think there's something more there we don't know, right?
I know, I'm waiting to see if something opens up more.
Very mysterious.
Because she has something bigger. I'm just waiting if we get it.
Maybe not in this song.
This is beautiful.
It is. This is one of those songs I would play in the car, even though I have no idea what she's saying.
Yeah.
I feel
No,
good.
it brings the feeling out.
Yeah.
And that's what music does.
Yeah. It's right there, right?
It's right there. That's it.
Wow, sweet and to the point.
Short and sweet. Okay, so for one thing, songs like this are really good at making you want more. It's never a bad thing to stay very simple. It's actually really important.
It's actually
to get simple,
better to do that.
To get simple and then build on that, depending on what the song calls for and what your artistry calls for. But this is the first that we've seen and of her.
I definitely want to hear more.
And of him.
Yeah.
And now it's like, what else does she have? It sucks you in a really great way.
I'm a huge believer that as an artist, you should always leave the audience wanting more.
100%.
If they ever feel like it's too much, over the top, overdone, overplayed, or just too long, that's not a good mark to leave on your audience.
It's not.
You always want them wanting more.
Yeah.
You know, and that's
you
what
want them
she
to
did.
buy the next ticket, buy the next record, stream the next single, whatever
All of
that
it.
may be.
Yeah.
Buy the next merch.
And I think you're right. In most cases, it doesn't take that much to get that point across.
No, this was under 2.5 minutes, honestly. This was 2.5 minutes.
That's crazy.
And now we want to watch more of these videos.
Yeah.
So that's a lesson learned. And it's a lesson reminded to us, too, because we get so sucked into some of these artists that are showing so much in these songs that are incredible. But it is important to always leave your fans wanting more.
Yeah.
Because now we want more. And we want more of you to subscribe.
That was very well played.
Thank you.
More subscribers.
Like I said, I'm a really good player.
Yeah. Wow, have there been many a man who's made that statement about her?
They wish.
Nah.
Wish.
Oh, wow.
They wish. But
you
they're the
know.
ones who got laid.
What?
They're not the ones that got laid.
Oh!
They aren't, though. That was a very good girl to work.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
And I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. What happened?
You stick up your chest so much.
Oh, I thought you were doing that.
No, you did it, and then I came into it.
Well, I can bow up. Mine doesn't point out like yours.
Well, unfortunately, mine are not pointy anymore. I forget.